What's up, Internet? This is an exciting one today. I'm going to show you my 3 picks of the best drones under $1,000. And down below in the description section, I've included links for all 3 of these drones on Amazon.
The first pick on my list is going to be the Yuneec Typhoon H. Now this drone is best for that consumer who's looking for the pro features, but also wants an easy to fly drone in one package. Running down the slate of features, battery life, you're going to get about 25 minutes out of this. Range, approximately 1 mile. It is on the lower end of some drones out there on the market for a similar price range. Speed wise, you're going to get about 43 miles per hour, which is very peppy for this sort of drone. Weight wise, it runs 23 pounds, and video resolution shoots at 4K 30 FPS, which is best camera you're going to get for a drone under $1,000. Now when it comes to the still camera resolution, you're right around 12.4 megapixels, and you've also got 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Looking to some of the more advanced features and the sensors of the drone, number 1 is going to be object avoidance, and that is included with the Yuneec Typhoon H. So in addition to object avoidance, you're also going to get object tracking with multi-modes. It is an FPV drone, so you're going to be able to see with the touchscreen controller what the camera is seeing, and that way you can fly it at a further range from where you're centered and really get more utility out of the drone. And when it comes to smartphone control, there is no smartphone control, just a standard RC controller with a touchscreen. It does offer programmable flights where you can set your GPS coordinates and the drone will fly along that flight path. And it also does offer similar capabilities with GPS with return to home capabilities. And the number 2 pick is the DJI Mavic Pro. Now, if you're into drones, you likely know DJI pretty much leads the game when it comes to some of the best drones on the market. And that's because they've packed in a lot of the advanced features, great cameras, and great integrations with their DJI Go app. Really just a very universal, very flexible, easy to fly drone. And the Mavic Pro is going to be best for anyone that is really into portability and ease of use. With this drone, there's no attaching propellers each time you unpack it. Just pull it out of your backpack, unfold it, and you're ready to fly at that moment. And when we look at the slate of features, you're going to get a really long battery life out of the Mavic Pro, which runs for about 27 minutes. And range-wise, this is the longest range of the drones on my list for the best drones under $1,000. And that range is going to extend up to 4.3 miles. Speed-wise, it's up there as well at 40 miles per hour. And weight, this is one of the best features. It comes in at 1.62 pounds. It can fit in your backpack and easily take it out, unfold it, and you're ready to fly within just seconds. You don't have to screw on the propellers as you do with other drones. Just very simple to use. So for video resolution, comes in at 4K 30 FPS, just like the Yuneec drone. Camera resolution for the still camera is at 12 megapixels. Also the same with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. And object avoidance is forward facing, and that runs at about 22 miles per hour. The drone can move at that speed and still avoid objects. Remote control wise, your phone actually integrates with the controller, and you can use them separately or together. You're really going to get the best experience when you're using your phone for FPV capabilities and the controller for some of the more dynamic features. And on the FPV, you're going to get 1080p for the streaming. Object tracking, there are 3 modes. When it comes to programmable flights, those are available with the GPS coordinates, and also return to home capabilities are available as well. And the number 3 pick on my list is the Walkera F210 FPV. Now, who's this best for? It's going to be the drone racers and the hobbyists who aren't afraid to dive in and get their hands dirty to optimize performance of their drone, even knowing that this model out of the box has some pretty spicy performance. Now, racing drones are going to have a lot different features than what you would find standard with the Yuneec or the DJI Mavic Pro. And that's because these drones are maximized for speed, not so much the quality of the camera or some of the other advanced GPS flight controls. It's really all about racing the drone. When it comes down to battery life with this model, you are going to be on the lower end compared to DJI and also the Yuneec drone, but for a racing drone, it comes in at 9 minutes which is pretty good for similar priced racing drones. Range-wise will be about 150 to 300 meters from the center point of where you're at, and speed is really where you're going to get the performance here, and that's going to be 80 plus miles per hour, and with some optimizations you can't even get it close to 100 miles per hour. Weight-wise, it's no surprise it can go that fast when you're coming in at 0.8 pounds, but the video resolution comes in at 700 TVL, which is roughly right in between 720p and 1080p resolution. Now, it's not the best camera, but really what it's for is just speed and performance. So knowing that, there is no gimbal stabilization, there is no object avoidance. The remote controls, there's a standard RC controller with customizations that you can set up on your own. FPV is available, of course, with any racing drone, but you're not going to get object tracking, smartphone control, any of the programmable flights, or any return to home capabilities. Really anything that relies upon GPS flight pathing is not available for the Walkera F210 or any racing drone for that matter. And those are my 3 picks for the best drones under $1,000.